Hello, hello, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm your host, Mark, and as always, I'm joined by my wonderful co-host.
Jessica. Hey everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today. Whether you're listening while making breakfast, on your commute, or maybe even lying in bed trying to find the motivation to start your day, we've got you covered.
Absolutely. Today's episode is all about how just 10 minutes of English practice every day can transform your fluency. Yes, only 10 minutes.
That's right. No more "I don't have time" excuses. If you have time to check Instagram or scroll through YouTube shorts, you definitely have time to practice English.
Exactly. And in this episode, we're not just going to tell you, we're going to show you how to use those 10 minutes effectively. We'll share real examples, fun daily routines, and even do a quick practice session together during this episode.
So stay tuned, because by the end of today's podcast, you'll have your own 10-minute English plan ready to go.
And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to follow or subscribe so you don't miss upcoming episodes. We're here every week helping you grow your confidence in English step by step.
All right, shall we get started?
Let's dive in. All right, before we jump into the how, let's talk about the why. Why does practicing English every single day, even for just 10 minutes, make such a big difference?
Because consistency beats intensity. Most learners think they need to study for 1 or 2 hours straight to make progress. But the truth is, your brain learns better with small, regular inputs instead of big, exhausting ones.
Exactly. Think about going to the gym. If you work out once a month for 5 hours, you're going to be sore and you won't get results. But if you do 20 minutes every day, boom, much better progress.
Plus, you won't hate your life while doing it.
Same with English. Daily exposure keeps your brain familiar with the language. Even if you don't realize it, your listening improves, your vocabulary stays fresh, and your confidence grows.
Let's be honest, many learners understand English, but they don't use it. And if you don't use it, you lose it.
Yes, even just saying a few sentences to yourself in the mirror counts as practice. Or listening to a podcast like this while washing dishes, that's learning too.
I remember one student told me, "Jessica, I listen to you while brushing my teeth every morning. I don't even think, it's just part of my routine now." And guess what? Her listening skills improved so naturally.
I love that. And the best part is, daily English doesn't feel like studying when it becomes a habit.
Exactly. And that's our goal today, to help you build a simple habit that you can actually stick to.
All right. So now you know why 10 minutes a day works. But the big question is,
What can you actually do in just 10 minutes?
let's explore that coming up next. All right. Now to the fun part. What can you actually do in just 10 minutes of English practice? You might be thinking, is 10 minutes even enough?
Oh, it's more than enough if you use it the right way. So let's give you practical ideas, not theory, real things you can do today.
Number 1, listen to something in English. A short podcast, a YouTube video, or even a song. But here's the trick. Don't just listen, focus.
Yes, try to catch 3 new words, just 3, then repeat them out loud or write them down.
You'll be shocked how much vocabulary you collect in a week.
Next speaking practice, even if you're alone, set a timer for 10 minutes and talk about anything. Your day, your breakfast, your plans, just talk in English.
You can even talk to your dog. Dogs don't judge accents.
Exactly. And if you want to make it more structured, use your phone camera. Record yourself speaking. You don't need to post it, just watch it back. You'll learn so much.
Here's one that people forget: type in English online. Leave a comment on a video, reply to someone on Reddit, join a Telegram or WhatsApp English group.
Even better, text a friend in English. If they reply in your native language, just keep going in English. They'll understand. Use tools like Quizlet, Anki, or even just your notebook. Pick 5 to 10 words, revise them, and try to use each in a sentence.
Or write a mini story using those words, like, "Yesterday, I met a mysterious pineapple." Who cares if it's silly? Your brain remembers it. One of my favorites, shadowing. Listen to a speaker and repeat after them, copying their rhythm and pronunciation.
It feels weird at first, but it's like borrowing someone's accent.
Exactly! You're basically downloading their pronunciation into your mouth.
So, listening, speaking, writing, vocabulary, shadowing, you can choose one different activity each day, or repeat your favorite.
And if you're thinking, which one should I do first? Don't worry. In the next segment, we're going to give you example daily routines so you can see how real people use these in their schedule.
Morning routine, commute routine, night routine, we've got you covered.
So don't go anywhere. Your 10-minute English life is about to become very real. All right, now it's time to make this real. Let's show you how different types of people can fit English into their day with just 10 minutes.
We've created 3 fictional listeners, but hey, maybe one of them is actually you? Let's meet them. Example 1, morning learner, Sophia, the university student.
First, we have Sophia, a 21-year-old university student. She wakes up, grabs her phone, like most of us, and instead of scrolling Instagram,
She opens Spotify and listens to a 10-minute English podcast while brushing her teeth and getting dressed.
she hears 2 new expressions, quickly repeats them out loud, and boom, English done before breakfast. Example 2. Commute learner David, the office worker.
Next is David, a 35-year-old office worker. Every morning he takes a 20-minute bus ride to work.
Instead of staring out the window dramatically,
He uses 10 minutes of that time to shadow an English video. He just puts in one earphone and repeats quietly to himself.
people on the bus think he's talking to himself, but he's secretly training like a language ninja. Example 3. Night learner Aisha, the busy parent.
And finally, Aisha, a 40-year-old mom. She's busy all day with work and kids. So when the house gets quiet at night,
She sits on the couch, opens her notebook, and does a 5-word vocabulary review.
then she writes 3 sentences using those new words. That's it, 10 minutes, and she goes to bed proud.
See? It doesn't matter if you're a student, worker, or parent. There's always a moment in your day.
Morning, commute, night, choose your time and make it your English moment.
And if you don't know which time works best for you, try all 3 this week and see which one feels natural.
Coming up next, we'll actually practice together. Yes, we're going to do a live 10-minute exercise with you, so get ready.
Don't skip. This is where the magic happens. All right, enough talking about practice. Let's actually do some practice together.
Yes, wherever you are right now, unless you're driving, and we want you to speak out loud with us. No excuses.
We're going to guide you through a simple 3-part mini practice. 1. Listening. Repeat. 2. Question-response. 3. Mini story speaking.
Ready? Take a deep breath, and let's start. Part 1. Listening plus repeat.
We'll say a sentence. You repeat it after us. Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak.
Today, I am practicing English confidently.
Again, with more energy.
Today, I am practicing English confidently.
Great. One more.
I improve a little every day. Part 2. Quick question. You answer. Out loud.
Now, I'll ask you a simple question. Don't think too much. Just answer.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
Good. Even if you said nothing, that counts. Let's try another.
What is one thing you want to be good at in English?
Perfect. Saying it out loud helps your brain take it seriously. Part 3. Mini story. Finish the sentence.
Now, we'll start a sentence and you finish it. Tomorrow morning I will practice.
One more!
If I practice for 10 minutes every day, in 1 month I will.
Amazing! You just did a full English practice session right here with us.
See? It's not scary. It's actually fun when you do it with someone.
So next time you feel unmotivated, just replay this part and speak with us again.
Coming up next, we'll talk about how to stay motivated and overcome excuses. Because let's be honest, some days we just don't feel like it.
But we've got strategies for that. Stay with us. All right, so we've shown you how to practice in just 10 minutes. But let's be real sometimes. Motivation disappears, right?
Oh yes, even we have days where we don't feel like doing anything. So if you've ever said,
I'm too busy. I'm tired. I'll start tomorrow.
then congratulations, you're human.
But here's the key: fluency doesn't come from motivation. It comes from discipline.
Exactly. You don't need to feel motivated every day. You just need to make English a habit like brushing your teeth. Tip 1. Make it easy. Remove the effort. If you want to stay consistent, make it so easy that you can't say no.
If you want to listen in the morning, prepare your podcast the night before. If you want to practice vocabulary, keep your notebook on your pillow, so you must pick it up before sleeping.
Success is not about willpower. It's about setting traps for your future lazy self. Tip 2. Track your progress.
Try this. Get a calendar or an app and mark an X every day you do your 10 minutes.
Then make a rule, don't break the chain. When you see 5 or 7 days in a row, you won't want to stop. Tip 3. Reward yourself.
Humans love rewards. After your 10-minute practice, celebrate, even if it's small.
Say out loud, I did it. Or allow yourself a snack or 5 minutes of scrolling TikTok guilt-free. Tip 4. Remind yourself why you're learning.
Whenever you feel like quitting, ask yourself, why did I start?
Is it for travel? A better job? Confidence? Talking with friends? Watching movies without subtitles?
Whatever your reason is, write it down and put it where you can see it every day.
So remember, the goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to be consistent.
Fluent English is not magic, it's little steps, repeated daily.
And you're already doing it. You're listening right now. You're showing up. That's what matters.
Coming up next, we'll give you some of our favorite tools and apps to make your 10-minute practice even easier.
So stay tuned. We're about to upgrade your English toolkit.
All right, now that you're motivated, let's talk tools. Because sometimes the right app or resource can make learning so much easier.
We've picked a few that are simple, fast, and perfect for 10-minute practice sessions. No complicated lessons, just quick daily English. For listening and shadowing.
Number 1, Spotify or YouTube. You don't always need a special app. Just search English Podcast for Learners or Shadowing Practice English, and you're ready to go.
And of course, this podcast is your new best friend for vocabulary and flashcards.
Try Quizlet or Anki. They're amazing for memorizing words with spaced repetition. Just set 10 minutes. Review your deck. Done.
Or if you want something super simple, Google Keep or Notes app. Write new words and check them daily. For speaking practice, even alone.
Here's a fun one. Voice notes. Open WhatsApp or Telegram, create a chat with yourself, and send voice messages in English. It's like talking to your future fluent self.
Or use Elsa Speak. It helps you practice pronunciation with instant feedback. For writing practice. If you like writing, try HelloTalk or Tandem. They connect you with language partners so you can text in English.
Or old school, write a 2-sentence daily journal in your notebook. The key is consistency, not perfection. For fun, gamified learning.
And if you like games, Duolingo or memories are good for quick motivation boosts.
Just don't spend all 10 minutes choosing outfits for the Duolingo owl.
Yes, learning first, owl later.
So, whether you like speaking, listening, writing, or vocabulary, pick one tool and stick to it for a week.
Don't install 5 apps and use none, just one. Start small.
Coming up next, we're going to give you a 7-day challenge to put everything into action.
Get ready, your first English habit plan is about to begin.
All right, you've learned the method, you've seen examples, and you've got your tools. Now it's action time.
We're giving you a 7-day English challenge, just 10 minutes per day. No excuses, no pressure, just one small task each day.
Ready? Here's your plan. 7-day, 10-minute English challenge.
Day task. What to do. Day 1, listening. Day, listen to a 10-minute English podcast or YouTube video. Write down 3 new words you hear. Day 2, speaking day. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Talk about your day out loud in English. No stopping. Day 3, vocabulary day. Pick 5 new words. Say each one in a sentence. Day 4, shadowing day. Choose any video or audio. Repeat every sentence like a parrot. Day 5, writing day. Write 5 to 8 sentences about anything. Use simple English, it's fine. Day 6, conversation day. Chat with someone in English, a friend, language partner, or even voice note to yourself. Day 7, reflection day. Review everything you practiced this week. Say out loud, I completed my English challenge.
That's it. Just one task a day, 10 minutes each. Easy, doable, powerful.
And when you finish, send us a message or comment saying, I completed the challenge. We'd love to celebrate with you.
If we get enough responses, maybe we'll even feature you in the next episode.
So are you in? Because we're cheering for you already.
Now, before we wrap up, let's read a quick shout-out from one of our listeners.
Before we wrap up, we want to give a quick shout out to our amazing listeners. We love seeing your progress and hearing your stories.
Yes. For example, Maria from Brazil wrote, I've been doing your 10-minute challenge for a week, and I already feel more confident speaking English with my friends. Thank you.
And Ahmed from Egypt said, I never thought I could practice English on my commute, but now I look forward to it every morning. It's so easy and fun.
We also got a note from Lee from China. The interactive practice you do in your episodes really helps me speak out loud. I feel like I'm learning with real people.
We love these messages, keep sending them. And remember, if you complete the 7-day challenge, we might feature your story next.
Hearing about your progress motivates everyone, including us.
Exactly, so keep practicing, keep sharing, and keep speaking English confidently.
And that's a wrap for today's episode of the English Learning Podcast.
We've talked about why daily English practice matters, how to use just 10 minutes effectively, shared daily routines, practice together, and even gave you a 7-day challenge.
Now it's up to you to take action. Remember, 10 minutes every day adds up. Small steps lead to big progress.
And don't forget to share your progress with us. Send us a message, comment, or tag us on social media. We love seeing your success stories.
If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes full of tips, practice, and motivation to improve your English.
And hit the like button if you learned something new today. It helps more learners find this podcast.
We'll be back next week with more 10-minute English tips, exercises, and strategies to help you grow your confidence and fluency.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, and remember, every minute counts.
See you next time.